Awareness of the student to help eliminate sexually transmitted disease. In short, STD. How we can talk and advise students. But first, let's talk about sexually transmitted disease. STD, also known as a sexually transmitted infection, are very common. A million of new infections every year in the United States. STD pass from one person to another. Vaginal, oral, and anal sex. They are caused by bacteria, viruses, or parasites. I can be cured and which ability fitness begin early enough. So there are 5 tips to prevent sexually transmitted disease. First is abstinence, that most variable way to avoid infection is to not have a sex. Any sex that can cause, including vaginal, oral, or anal sex, are using finger or fingering. Second, to have a vaccination, because vaccines are safe, effective, and recommended way to prevent happiness B and HPV. Third is reduce number of sex partners, because it's higher risk of developing parasites, cancer. Several cancer are oral concern. Fourth is to mutual monogamy. It's from the monogamy that exists when two partners agree to be sexually active with only one another. Or the fifth is to use a condoms. It is a form of contraception available from both males and females. It is designed to prevent your partner's body fluid from mixing during sexual activities. Again, the best way to prevent an STD is not to have a sex. Thank you.